Are you dreaming of a new website? Has your old website stopped working for you? Are you considering building a website for the first time? Take a few minutes to listen. Profit Web Design can help. At Profit Web Design, we believe in the best for you, the best for your customer, the best design, the best at getting hits, the best at making money for you. Your website's purpose is simple: to attract buyers, inform them, and then generate profit. We know how to build a great website and how to attract a crowd. You know your product. We need each other to succeed. Consider the infomercial. With it, you take your product, package it with great branding and graphics, generate a compelling sales pitch, and then deliver it to a thirsty crowd. Profit Web Design does this with your website. Our creative team is made up of the best copywriters, marketing professionals, and visual artists around. We deliver a high-impact, compelling website that builds trust with your customer. We use search engine optimization and traditional marketing to find your thirsty crowd and drive them to your website. A hit is a visit to your website. It's really quite easy to get hits, but what you want is the right hits. You need to attract people who are interested in your product, have the available means to purchase, and are in the right frame of mind to do so. We work with you to determine the right customer and then deliver that customer to your website's front door. And that customer can come from anywhere in the world. Custom web design and development, social media marketing, e-commerce, websites for mobile devices, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising. The list of reasons to visit ProfitWebDesign.com is virtually endless. High quality, affordable rates, extraordinary customer service. That's what we have to offer. Profit Web Design, truly creative internet marketing. And we've been doing it long enough to know how to succeed. Contact us to learn more.